Vladimir from Right Image Builders. We just signed a humongous contract to renovate the whole entire building here. We're going to restore it and we're going to make it beautiful as it used to be many years ago. And the project is so intense and so involved, and I'm going to show you what is the procedure of that.
As the stars at night, sure as the changing tide, to you I surrender. Just as the sun will rise and time keeps on ticking.
Almost finishing up this amazing project, so I'm going to show the progress of it. So enjoy from this amazing house.